And it's now time for the business day. Telecommunications company Flow says it's adding more bandwidth to its network to help ease the increasing demand for data. Country manager Stephen Price made the disclosure while speaking at a webinar hosted by the private sector organization of Jamaica. Andrew Laidley reports.
Flow says data traffic is up by 40% since the outbreak of COVID-19. It has pushed demand for data to a level the company did not expect until about 2021. So now that the timeline has been moved up, country manager Stephen Price says the company is working overtime to increase its capacity.
We are even putting additional bandwidth off subsea. We're putting in even more in June, about 100 gigs will be put in just to make sure that everybody is okay.
He says Flow is upgrading in line with the increasing demand, but he notes that the company is doing it cautiously.
In the first week, it had gone up by 20%. We responded to ensure that, but it's continuing to climb and climb and climb, and we have to continue to grow with the traffic. I can't say, for instance, that I'm going to build a network of 3 times the size for a peak that you don't know that you will meet. So we have to continuously grow with the customers, because it's the customers that direct us as to the direction based on their usage.
As the call for better broadband services intensify, Mr. Price is urging customers to be patient, pointing out that the issues aren't unique to Jamaica.
This is not a problem for Jamaica alone, right? Global networks are a problem. When you see that European networks had to ask Netflix and YouTube to turn down the quality of their video service because it would crash people's networks. You have to understand that we are not immune.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Jamaica Public Service JPS has appointed a new president and CEO. The new CEO, Michelle Gantois, will assume the role on May 31. Mr. Gantois replaces Emmanuel Da Rosa, whose tenure ends on May 30. Before this year, Mr. Gantois was leading the development of a hydrogen business unit for a listed mining company in Australia. And that's a business day. We have news from overseas in less than 20 seconds.